Barley is. It's a superfood. So we have barley, best barley and barley fusion. It's a highly potent Australian green barley. Our suppliers and our founders really believe in quality and value. Hindi natin titipirin, okay? Kasi pag tinitipid natin, makakamura nga, marami nga makakabili. Pero ang problema naman, hindi tatagal kasi pag take walang effect, pag take walang dating, kaya hindi na nag-repeat purchase. So we want more quality so that people will come in. Our products natin will be like lions. You don't need to defend and explain it because when you take the lion, take the leash of the lion and you release it, it will speak for itself. That with what will happen sa mga products natin, kaya excited tayo dito. So we have best barley. Gusto mo na may halo para sa mga kabaihan dyan? Yung ating barley fusion. Pakisabi nga, barley fusion. Yung barley fusion po natin mga kaibigan, it has a combination active ingredient of fenugreek. Try to research about fenugreek. It's very good for hormonal imbalances. Magandang-maganda to sa mga kababaihan nating partners. And of course, hinaluan pa ng barley, fenugreek, at may kasamang collagen and glutathione. Yan. Kaya siya barley fusion. Yan, okay? Excited ba tayo dyan? So marami pang